InterswitchSPAK is an IntersWitch Switch a Future initiative.
My name is Honor Biako Ivana from Louisville Girls Secondary School, Abuja.
My name is Omoni Kudus. I'm from Scholars Universal Secondary School, Ottawa State.
My name is Opar Chama, and I'm from Nigerian Tulip International Colleges, Abuja.
My name is Ola Mushokwe. I'm from Entry Private School, Ashishi, Ogun State.
My name is Alale Konofisat from Ijayi Housing Estate Senior Grammar School, Alakashi, Lagos State.
My name is Oluwadari Ikmeolua, and I am from Model Secondary School, Obaile, Ondo State.
My name is Oluwalo Jobisayo from Fountain International High School, Ado-Ekiti, Ekiti State.
My name is Ayomde Olumdeata from St. Francis Catholic Secondary School, Idimu, Lagos State.
My name is Olaone Alima from Adedoku International School, Ota, Ogun State.
The mind once enlightened cannot again go dark. Thomas Paine. Welcome to another episode of Nigeria's foremost science competition, InterswitchSPAK National Science Competition Nigeria 3.0. Proudly brought to you by IntersWitch, transaction solutions you can depend on. We're still on the journey of discovering the brightest minds in science in Nigeria via the InterswitchSPAK National Science Competition Nigeria 3.0. The journey started with over 18,000 senior secondary school students from about 1,800 schools across Nigeria who wrote the qualifying examination via the Croc CBT platform. I have 9 of these students that are very hopeful to make it to the semi-final stage of this competition. I cannot wait for us to get into the competition, but first, it is time for us to celebrate our SPAK heroes.
Buoyed by his spark for information technology as being the tool for the modern man's communication, Chukwuemeka Afigbo has slowly but steadily created a niche for himself with his tech-savvy work skills at Google and Facebook. Son of the erudite Professor Ebere Afigbo, Chukwuemeka attended University Primary School, Nsukka, and Command Secondary School, Abakaliki. He thereafter got his first degree in electronic engineering in 2002 from the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, and a master's degree in technology innovations management from Carleton University, Canada in 2008. His unrelenting spark for technology led him in managing 3 technology firms in Nigeria between 2002 and 2011, before Google beckoned on him to manage its emerging markets outreach portfolio, and with his success in this capacity, promoted to manage the offline Google Developer Content Pilot, all between 2011 and 2015. But a golden fish has no hiding place, and it wasn't long before the social media giant Facebook came calling. He is currently its Strategic Product Partnerships Manager. Chukwuemeka Afigbo's rise and success in the social media world is a testament to the saying that goes, start small, but think big. No matter how big our dreams are, they only need a spark to ignite them to reality.
No matter how big our dreams are, they only need a spark to ignite them. That was truly profound. Let me explain how InterswitchSPAK Nigeria 3.0 works. There are 3 stages: the preliminaries, the semi-finals, and the final. The preliminaries have 9 episodes where we have 9 super SPAKs competing against each other for the 3 available spots at the semi-finals. At the end of the prelims, we'll have a total of 27 semi-finalists who will be battling it out for the 9 spots at the finals, but we can only have 1 winner. So today I have 9 eager super SPAKs willing to work their way to make sure that they secure a spot at the semi-finals. Hello, super SPAKs. Hello. I like the energy in the room. Hello, Choma.
Hello, Hero.
So aside from reading, what else do you like to do?
I like reading, I write sometimes, and I also like speaking.
Oh, that's great. So who inspires you?
Chimamanda Ngozi Adichie inspires me.
That's nice. Yeah, Chimamanda is my friend, you know. We were together in New York just 2 years. Did I say 2 years? 2 days ago. I just lied on national TV, but I mean. Ayo, how are you? I like your shirt. What's written on your T-shirt? I can see boss written boldly.
That's what it says. I'm boss.
I'm a boss. You're a boss. So tell me more about being a boss.
So a boss takes charge of any situation. He gets confidence in himself. That's what I plan to do.
Nice, nice. So do you think you would boss your way through to the semi-final stage?
I hope so.
I wish you all the best. I hope you have what it takes.
Thank you.
Hello, Ivana.
Hello, Hero.
How you doing?
I'm okay, Hero.
So tell me a little bit about yourself.
I like playing football and reading sometimes.
You like playing football?
Yeah.
What position do you play?
Left wing.
Left wing?
Yeah.
That's great. Do you see football as maybe a side career? I mean, you can be a scientist and a footballer at the same time. The money is good.
Yeah, it's okay.
Ikmi, how are you?
I'm fine, you.
So tell me, what do you love to do?
I love to read my Bible and I love watching animes.
Most anime are in foreign languages like, you know, Japanese, Chinese, and the rest of it. Do you speak any foreign language?
I speak a little of Japanese.
Oh, let's hear it. Just introduce yourself in Japanese and say, welcome to InterswitchSPAK.
Watashi wa oluwadari ikmi oluwa desu. Kunishi wa yokoso InterswitchSPAK.
Wow! Let me pretend like I understood that, huh? All right, Super SPAKs. Welcome to the foundation level. In the foundation level, each of you have equal opportunity to attempt 16 general science questions within a 15-second window. All right? Marks will be awarded based on individual accuracy and speed. For questions in this round, the first 5 Super SPAKs to get the correct answer will earn a maximum of 10 points, while others with the correct answer to the same question will earn 5 points. Please note that an incorrect answer earns you no points. At the end of the foundation round, only 5 of you with the highest cumulative scores and time will proceed to the advanced round. Do we understand?
Yes, sir.
The foundation round starts right now. Question 1. Which principle states that electrons enter orbitals in order of increasing energy? Heisenberg principle, Pauli principle, Aufbau principle, Avogadro's principle. Except Halima, Busayo, and Kudus, the rest of our Super SPAKs provided the correct answer. Question 2. What is the equivalent resistance of the circuit shown? Is it 7 ohms, 10 ohms, 5 ohms, or 36 ohms? What is the equivalent resistance of the circuit shown? Correct option is A, 7 ohms. Ivana, Busayo, you have 15 seconds to impute the correct answer. Only Kudus got the correct answer. Kudus, can you explain how you arrived at your answer?
The two 2 ohms resistors, they are connected in parallel. So if you find the equivalent resistance, you get 1. So if you find the equivalent resistance between the 2 ohms, the 2 3 ohms and the 1 ohms will be in series. So you add the total resistance.
Well done, Kudus. Good luck to the rest of you. Question 3. If A multiply B equals A plus B plus A over B, find the value of 8 times 2. Is it 6, 14, 16, or 10? Correct option is B, 14. Choma, Kudus, Ikeng, and Ayo, also Halima, got the correct answer. Good luck to you, Ivana, Moshope, Nofi, and Busayo. Question 4. Where do birds with these feet most likely live? Is it the desert, near water, mountain, or on trees? Where do birds with these feet most likely live? Correct option is B, near water. Aside from Nofi, all our Super SPAKs got the correct answer. Well done. Question 5. The following glasswares are used to measure the volume of liquids except what? Burette, test tube, graduated beaker, pipette. Nofi, Halima, Moshope, and Busayo. Better luck next time. Well done to the rest of the Super SPAKs. Question 6. Addition of heat results in the following except what? Is it freezing, sublimation, vaporization, or melting, addition of heat results in the following, except what? Correct option is A, freezing. Aside from Nofi, all our super SPAKs got the correct answer. Question 7. If 10 men can do a job in 12 days, how long will it take 12 men? 8 days, 9 days, 10 days, or 6 days? If 10 men can do a job in 12 days, how long will it take 12 men? Correct option is C. Aside from Choma, Ivana, the rest of our super SPAKs got the correct answer. Choma, Ivana, better luck next time, okay? Question 8. Which of the following cannot be used as a thermometric substance? Is it alcohol, resistant wire, mercury, or glass? Correct option is D, glass. Choma, what option did you select?
B, but it was not correct. It should have been D.
Choma, Nofi, and Busayo. Better luck next time. We're now halfway through the foundation round. The foundation round continues after this break.
Everything is impossible until it's done. This has been our story since inception. And today, we can boast of a platform where everything is possible. And like before, we succeeded in getting your attention, didn't we? Quick Teller. Everyday payments made easy.
Spark radiantly like the stars in the sky. Merry Christmas from all of us at InterswitchSPAK.
Welcome back. This is InterswitchSPAK Nigeria 3.0, proudly brought to you by IntersWitch, transaction solutions you can depend on. We're now halfway through the foundation round. It is now time for our super SPAKs to attempt the next set of questions. Here comes question 9. In a simultaneous throw of 2 coins, what is the probability of getting at least one head? 2 over 3, half, 3 over 4, 1 over 4. Correct option is C. Only Kudus and Ikbin gave us the correct answer. Ikbin, how did you arrive at your answer?
They told us that they choose 2 coins. So if we look at the 2, we'll get H in 1, T in 1, TH in 1, and HT. And they said at least 1 head. And head is in 3 possibilities. And the total possibility is 4. That will be 3 over 4.
All right, to the rest of the super SPAKs, you do great. Next question, all right? Question 10. Which of these is not a complex carbohydrate? Is it cellulose, starch, chitin, or glucose? Which of these is not a complex carbohydrate? Mushokbe, Ivana, Nofi, good luck in the next question. Question 11. Find the value of theta in the image shown. Is it 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 45 degrees, or 30 degrees? Find the value of theta in the image shown. Correct option is D. None of our super SPAKs got the correct answer. It is time to take a look at the leaderboard to see how our super SPAKs are faring so far. So you can see your positions now. If you need to step up, step up. Question 12. Which of these crop is affected by ticker disease? Is it cabbage, corn, rice, or groundnuts? Which of these crop is affected by ticker disease? Correct option is D, groundnut. Only Chioma and Ivana got the correct answer. Good luck to the rest of the super SPAKs. Question 13. Electrons occupy each orbital singly. First before pairing up takes place. Yes? Hund's rule, Dalton's theory, Aufbau principle, Avogadro's law. Good luck to you, Nofi Mushokbe, in the next question. Well done to the rest of the super SPAKs. We're now 3 questions away from the end of the foundation round. These 3 questions can determine who makes it and who would leave the competition? Question 14. The following are pests of plants except A, bacteria, B, birds, C, scarecrow, D, grasshopper. The following are pests of plants except all the super SPAKs except Moshope and Busaya got the correct answer. Question 15. Which compound is represented by letter Z in the reaction shown? Is it water, oxygen gas, hydrogen gas, or carbon monoxide? Nofi, Halima, Ikpin, you'll do better next time, okay? Well done to the super SPAKs that got the correct answer. Question 16. Which of these properties of a substance is not affected by addition of heats? Elasticity, number of atoms, conductivity, color. Which of these properties of a substance is not affected by the addition of heat? Kudus, what was your answer?
B.
All right, super SPAKs. I can clearly see your points, your results, your position, and I already know the 5 of you that will be making it to the advanced level. I don't know, I really feel sad for some of us. Ivana, how would you say you've performed so far?
6 out of 10.
6 out of 10. Do you think that number is enough to get you to the next level?
Hopefully.
Who would be most disappointed if you do not make it to the advanced round?
My friends at school.
Your friends at school?
Yeah.
Find out what happens to Ivana after this break.
Last year, Quick Tellers ad campaign was fantastic. This year, we have to go bigger. Imagine, we open on me in my estate. Suddenly we hear, it's my ride. Just because I pay my bills on time using Quick Teller, they never stop my ride.
Okay, wait. We see this slick car in front of a global mall. A fine babe gets out of the car. Guess who? I shop from stores in the US and UK, and I always get what I want on Quick Teller Global Mall.
I have an even better idea. We see me and my boy driving. Yeah. And then I see some kids. What are you guys doing?
No fees, no school.
No fees, no school? You know what? You go to school. And you go to school. And I'm paying for your school fees on Quick Teller. Great ideas. Don't worry about the cost. Everything is possible with Quick Teller.
And then it takes all the credit. Just like last year.
Quick Teller. Everyday payments made easy.
Spark radiantly like the stars in the sky. Merry Christmas from all of us at InterswitchSPAK.
Welcome back to InterswitchSPAK Nigeria 3.0, where excellence meets brilliance. Before the break, we just saw our 9 super SPAK just race through the foundation round, and we now have to decide which 5 of them will make it to the advanced level. It is time to decide Ivana's fate. Ivana.
Yes, you.
You did well. Your average response time was 6.1 seconds. If only you had an extra 10 points. With a total of 85 points, this is where your SPAK journey continues. Congratulations. You're through to the advanced level. How do you feel? Busayo.
Yes, sir.
Halima. Nofi. You know, I've always advocated for girl power, and I'm still advocating for girl power. I just want to let you know that you've made your parents proud. You've made your friends at home proud. Your teachers are proud of you. I am proud of you, but this is where your SPAK journey truly ends. I have 6 super SPAKs and I need to get 1 super SPAK out. Joining Ivana is Kudus, Ayo, Ikpin, and Chioma. Moshope, this is where your SPAK journey ends. I have my 5 super SPAKs for the advanced level. 3 boys, 2 girls. How are you feeling?
Fine.
All right, welcome to the advanced level. Here, each of you have the opportunity to determine the subject area where questions will be asked. You will all take turns to select 5 subject areas from where we'll pull 15 questions specifically for you. After the turn, you have exactly 45 seconds to attempt your 15 questions. If you miss or pass on a question, not to worry, you can still get back to it provided it is within your 45 seconds. All right? Please note that your scores in the foundation level do not count here. And at the end of the advanced level, only 3 of you with the highest scores would move on to the next level, which is the semi-final stage of the competition. Do we understand?
Yes,
Yes, you.
I wish you the best of luck. To determine the order of play, we must first take a turn. Super SPAKs, we're going to take a turn now. I'm going to give you a puzzle, and the fastest to solve the puzzle will be the first to pick his or her preferred subject area, all right? Today's take a turn is a puzzle, and here comes the puzzle. Match the following cities with their respective countries. The cities are Napoli, Madrid, Manchester, Berlin, and the countries are Germany, Spain, England, and Italy. All you need to do is match the items on the right. Chioma is first to solve the puzzle, followed by Ikmin. We're waiting on Ayo, Kudus, and Ivana. Make sure you move the items on the right to match the items on the left. You can move it up and down, all right? Ivana is next to solve it. So there we have it, Chioma, Ikmin, Ivana. We're waiting on Ayo and Kudus. And we have our order of play. It is time to load the question bank. The sequence is, Chioma, you were first to solve the puzzle, so you're up first, followed by Ikmin, Ivana, Ayo, and Kudus. We have our question bank fully loaded. Chioma?
Yes, here.
So before we get onto it, can you tell me your experience writing online for the very first time via the Croc CBT platform?
Writing online was really comfortable because I could just take it from my school. I didn't need to leave. And I felt calmer because it was just me and the screen, and I was writing.
Okay. Well, I hope you're comfortable with the advanced level. Are you ready to SPAK?
My name is Opera Chioma, and I am ready to SPAK.
Now is your time to SPAK. The brain and spinal cord makes up what type of nervous system?
Central nervous system.
Electrical signals carried by neurons are termed?
Spas.
What is the inner surface of a villus called?
Pass.
What type of metamorphosis do butterfly
Complete.
What type of stem modification is seen in bananas?
Spas.
The mode of respiration in salamander is?
Pass.
Experimental separation of hemoglobin of red blood cell from the cell membrane called?
Pass.
Plants that flowers produce seeds once and then?
Anal.
Biennial. 2. Solve the inequality 1/3, bracket
5.
If the bearing of x from y is?
Pass.
Well done, Chioma. Are you ready to SPAK?
Yes, I am.
Well, now is your time to SPAK. The relative atomic mass of calcium is?
40.
What is the pH of 0.01 molar HNO3?
1.
Which element is represented by the chemical?
Iodine.
Which gas equation is represented by PV equals nRT?
General gas equation.
How many atoms make up a molecule of sodium hydroxide?
6.02 times 10 to the power 23.
On a periodic table, to which group does phosphorus belong?
Group 4.
What force is needed to exert pressure of 22 Newton per?
Pass.
The force by which the Earth attracts the body
Gravitational
towards
force.
What phenomenon explains the floating of a carefully placed needle on water?
Flotation.
How many neck bones does a giraffe have?
12.
Well done, Ikmin.
My name is Honorable Ivana, and yes, I am ready to SPAK.
Now is your time to SPAK. How many grams of sodium is there in 1 mole of sodium carbonate?
Pass.
The 2 oxides that carbon forms are carbon dioxide and?
Carbon 4 oxide.
How many valence electrons are in the atom of nitrogen?
3.
Ascaris lumbricoides. The factor for inheritances in the chromosomes are?
Pass.
Pores that allow air in the trachea of an insect are called?
Pass.
Joules per kilogram per Kelvin is the unit for what quantity?
Pass.
Frequency is derived from what quantity?
Pass.
What is the velocity of a car which accelerates 2 meters per second square from rest in 4 seconds? Take your time, is the last question.
8.
Well done, Ivana.
My name is Ayomide Olumdeata, and I'm ready to SPAK.
Well, now is your time to SPAK. How many valence electrons
2.
are in the? What type of bond exists between nitrogen and...
Dative.
Express the boiling point of water in Kelvin scale.
373.
What is the maximum force required before a stationary block starts moving?
Limiting frictional force.
What type of musical instrument is a gong?
Percussion.
What angle should a plane mirror, 2 plane mirrors, be placed to
30.
What is the magnification of a plane mirror?
1.
At what velocity should a stone be thrown vertically upwards to reach a maximum height?
Skip.
What type of color is
primary?
Find the perimeter of a cone with radius 7 centimeter and height of 3 centimeters.
Skip.
What must be added to 2x cubed?
4/25.
Find f of minus 1 if f of x is
7.
Well done, Ayo.
My name is Omoni Kudus and I'm ready to spark.
Well, now is your time to spark. Convert 50 degrees Celsius to Kelvin.
T2D.
What is the relative atomic mass of one mole?
2.
What is the oxidation state of nitrogen in
+1.
What part of a flower contains the male gamete?
Androecium.
The Center for Intelligence.
Cerebrum.
Possession of mantle is...
Musluska.
What instrument accurately measures the...
Vena caliper.
What motion is exhibited by the...
Random.
A 400 kg glass.
8.
Express 4 over 5x plus 5...
16y plus 25x over 20xy.
If x equals 8 and x raised to the power minus 3 equals y, what is the value of x?
4.
Find x if 5 over 8 equals 20.
2.
Find 2 over root 3.
Pass.
Well done, Kudus. You know, you keep smiling. Irrespective of your performance, you just keep smiling. And that is the true spirit of sportsmanship. I don't know, how do you think you fared so far?
I didn't do well.
You didn't do well. Well, are we going to have 2 girls? Are we going to have 2 boys at the semi-final stage of this competition? Chum, I'm going to get back to you now. To be honest, you scored a total of 80 points. Who is your maths teacher?
Her name is Mrs. Nilofesh.
How much work do you think she has done?
I think she has. I was slow and I could definitely have done better. So I know I have more work to do.
Okay, so let me inform you that one of the super SPAKs here have 180 points and you have 80 points. I'll tell you this, Choma. You need your maths teacher to do more work because you've qualified to the semi-final stage of this competition and you need to bring your A game. All right? Congratulations, Ivana.
Yes, hero.
I like that smile. Just keep that smile. Ikme?
Yes, hero.
You have both done well, but I'm afraid to inform you that this is where your SPAK journey truly ends. Well done. Congratulations to you, Kudus, 180 points, Ayo, 100 points, and Choma, 80 points. And that has been an exhilarating episode of InterswitchSPAK Nigeria 3.0. I'm very sure you have enjoyed every bit of it. Join us next week to see another set of super SPAKs qualify for the semi-finals. I'm Hero Daniels. Until I catch you next week, same time, same station, do not forget, be the best at what you do. Bye for now.
InterswitchSPAK is an InterSwitch